Here's why the kit lens is the only lens you need as a beginner. Here's a quick explanation if you don't know what the kit lens is. It's the included lens when you're buying a new camera. It's the lens that's bundled with the camera body you're buying, like this 18 to 55 millimeters from Canon. As a beginner, all those different terms can be overwhelming, like 10mm, 50mm, zoom, prime, fisheye, macro, tele, and so on and so forth. If I put 10 different lenses in front of you, you maybe don't even know which one to take. Maybe you're totally new to photography, so it's possible that you don't even know what you would like to shoot, what you like and what you don't like. So you're going to shoot a variety of subjects like portrait, landscape, studio, or why not night photography, to name a few. So you can focus your energy on making great shots and improving your pictures and learning about the different camera settings and so on and so forth. Most of them are zoom lenses, so they can be tele or wide angle. If we put it in simple terms, it's how wide or narrow the field of view of the lens is. This alone will give you some headroom to play around with different scenarios like landscape or portrait. Most of the kit lenses are equipped with autofocus and image stabilization, which is not always the case with other lenses. There are also manual lenses on the market. After some time, you're going to discover what you like and what not so much, so you can focus on those subjects further. Then maybe you can consider buying additional lenses for the type of shooting you would like to do. Like if you're into wildlife, you're going to get a tele. If you like landscape, you're going to get a wide angle. As I already said in prior videos, you don't need the fanciest gear to make great pictures. They are just tools to make better quality pictures, but not better pictures. It's the photographer's job to compose, to adjust the different settings to get a great picture. So in the beginning, it's all about making things easy as possible, because if the learning process is frustrating, it's not going to be fun, and something you like should be fun. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like so this video can spread to more people. A subscription would be starting. If you want to check another video of mine, here I used Photoshop from 2005 for a week. See you in the next one.